In a small town, an annual event attracts people for the most unexpected reason: sneezing. Competitors gather to see who can produce the loudest and most dramatic sneeze. Last year, a contestant, known as Sneezy McSniffles, shocked everyone with a sneeze that echoed through the entire venue. There's even a panel of judges who rate the sneezes based on volume, creativity, and style. Some contestants craft secret sneeze-inducing potions, while others practice for months. As the sneezes erupt, laughter fills the air, proving that sometimes being bizarre is what bonds us together. Who knew a little nasal flare could create such a ruckus?